Hi. Okay, so this week I'm super excited because we're moving into our final units for fourth grade for reading and writing, and they both revolve around learning more about the American Revolution and eventually doing a research project. It'll all come together to be a research project by the end of the school year. Now, I can already hear some people getting upset, right? Research project? Don't worry, we're going to do it in pieces. It's going to be a little bit at a time, and we're here to help you the whole time. Don't forget that, Mr. C and I. So let's be excited about this because this is super fun. This is a super cool time in history where America became America. So this is really cool to learn about. And I know that you guys have already watched some of the videos back when we were in school in Mrs. Mingus's room. I forget the name of the videos that you were watching, but you were watching them in social studies to give you a little bit of background information about the American Revolution and why it was even a war in the first place. So in your research project, I'm also going to share my daughter's project with you so that you have a student sample and you can see the breakdown of how that went. I'll be sharing that with you tomorrow. So today we're going to focus on the reading portion of it. And what we're going to do is I want to remind you that before readers do a research project, what they do is they take time to plan. They find sources that are accessible to them, meaning easy for them to understand and available in a place where they can find them. And then they take a look at some subtopics and figure out which topic is the most interesting to them that they would want to research even further. So what I did for you guys was I went into Epic and Learning Ally and I selected some books that went along with these topics. So there are a number of topics to choose from for your more focused chapter. So that's what your reading is going to be centered around today. So before 1775, we have the Boston Tea Party, Paul Revere, and problems between Britain and the colonists. For after 1775, we have George Washington, battles that were a part of the war, and the Declaration of Independence. So you're going to see that all of the book choices on Epic and Learning Ally have to do with these topics. You are to select one of these six that you think you are the most interested in, and then select a book on Epic that goes along with that topic. You will read the book on Epic today for 25 minutes. And then what you're going to do is in the Google Doc that's attached to this assignment, you'll write just a quick summary of what it is that you read today. Whatever book you choose is going to be part of what you are researching. So today you are writing a summary of what it is that you read in the book on Epic or Learning Ally. Okay, so that's really all that we're doing today. We're just getting started today on this research project. And this research that you're doing today will be related to chapter 2 in your research project. The first chapter is going to be all about the American Revolution, which Mr. C and I will go through with you tomorrow for our writing. We're going to start taking notes on that through a different website. Chapter 2 is going to be all about your central focused topic that you pick. So again, Boston Tea Party, Paul Revere, problems between Britain and the colonists, George Washington, battles, and the Declaration of Independence. You are to pick just one of these topics for your book that you're going to start reading today, okay? And if you have any questions or if you need any help, please let us know.